TUT coin is delivering another extraordinary performance in the cryptocurrency market, surging a massive 253% over the past 24 hours and trading around 18 cents. The explosive rally has pushed TUT into the spotlight, with traders closely watching the token after one of the strongest moves seen across the market today. A 253% gain in a single day represents an extreme shift in short-term momentum. A move of this magnitude can attract substantial attention and fresh trading activity, but it can also create intense volatility. After such a rapid rise, the battle between buyers looking for further upside and early holders taking profits can become particularly important. The 18 cents area has now become a major price zone to watch. If TUT can maintain this level despite profit-taking, it could potentially provide a new short-term base for the market. On the other hand, a strong rejection from current levels could trigger consolidation or a sharp pullback as traders lock in gains. Trading volume is another key part of today's story. If the 253% surge is supported by sustained volume, it could suggest that the rally is attracting broad market participation. If volume starts falling sharply, however, the current momentum could begin losing strength. Beyond the price chart, market participants may continue watching TUT's ecosystem development, adoption, exchange activity, partnerships, token utility, roadmap progress, and community engagement. Positive developments could help maintain the attention surrounding TUT after today's spectacular move. The broader cryptocurrency market will also play an important role. Continued strength in Bitcoin and major altcoins could provide a supportive environment for high-momentum tokens. However, if overall market sentiment weakens, TUT could experience particularly large price swings after such an enormous rally. The biggest question now is whether TUT can turn this explosive move into sustainable momentum. A period of consolidation around 18 cents would not necessarily be bearish. It could allow the market to absorb today's huge gains and establish stronger support. Continued upward movement with healthy volume would provide a more convincing signal that buyers remain in control. For now, TUT coin is trading around 18 cents after surging 253% today, making it one of the most dramatic performers in the current crypto market. The next few trading sessions could be even more important than today's rally, revealing whether TUT can hold its new price zone or whether the market begins cooling after the massive advance.